Now, why we have done inverse of a matrix? Now we have done inverse of a matrix to divide a matrix. For division of a matrix, we have done what? Inverse of a matrix. But what is its application? Now for application, say ax plus by equal to c. This is a linear equation of two variable. So say a1x plus b1y equal to c1, and another one say a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Now these are linear equation of two variable. We can solve linear equation of two variable using inverse of a matrix. So this is the main application of what? Inverse of a matrix. And if we can solve linear equation of two variable, we know day-to-day sum or day-to-day problem, we can find out day-to-day problem using what? Using linear equation of two variables. Say two men have done the work in 6 days, 3 women have done the work in 2 days. That we can find out how many days one man can do or one woman can do. That we can find out using linear equation of two variable. Okay, so that's why inverse of a matrix, we can find out linear equation of 2 or 3 variable, or we can solve linear equation of 2 or 3 variable using inverse of a matrix. Now how we can solve? Now what we'll do, we'll take a matrix in which we'll take the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Here it is a1, a2, b1, b2. This is coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Then what are the variable? Variable are x and y. So we'll take x and y in another matrix, say x. Now next is what? Next is b. B is what? c1, c2. Now what we've done? We've taken 2 by 2 matrix, which is the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, which belongs to coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Then what we have done, we have taken x and y, matrix x and matrix y. So in matrix x we have taken what? X comma y, and in and another matrix b we have taken what? The constant, right hand side constant c1 and c2. Now this matrix is of order 2 by 2. This matrix is of order 2 by 1. This is also 2 by 1. Now why you have taken like this? Now can I write this equation as a into x equal to b? You can check. If you multiply these two, it will be ax1 plus by1. ax1 plus by1. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 by 1 matrix. That we can multiply, because this one number of column of first matrix equal to number of row of second matrix. The resultant matrix is of order 2 by 1, and this is also 2 by 1. Now you can check a1x plus b1y will be equal to what? Will be equal to c1. So we can write ax equal to b. Multiply both sides by a inverse if a inverse exists, or say the determinant a not equal to 0, or a is a singular matrix. Here a must be singular matrix, otherwise we have to do by another method. Now we can write this as a by using associative law, a inverse a x equal to a inverse b. What is a inverse x? Ix equal to a inverse b implies x equal to a inverse b. So this is the formula. Now what is x? X is x and y. So we can find out x and y using the formula what? A inverse b. This is true for 2 variable and both 2 and 3 variable also. Okay, so we can find out x and y using this formula A inverse b. This is a small video. I will upload this one, and then another video in which I will do one sum. Then you can do more sum.